Hello guys. So I've now got everything from the sump, and I ordered these bags from Amazon. I think they're about a £5 or something like that for 100 of them, which is alright. So what I'm going to do now is just bag everything up. So all this stuff here, these are the oil pipes with all the bolts that obviously go in the bottom of the engine. All this stuff in here is to do with the sump. You know, when you take your sump off, stuff like that. All this stuff in here is to do with the clutch. So I'll put them to one side now. I've got that tub over there. I'm going to start putting them in there, so they're out at way then. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the gear lever off, and then any brackets and stuff in there that need coming off. Little oil pipes there, look at that bracket there. The oil pump. So the oil pump there, look, I'll take that off. And then I can start, that's the gearbox. Then I can start undoing. Oh, look at that, look, this is what I mean. Look, that's anti, somebody has been in this engine. They're all bloody loose, look. I promise you I haven't done that, they've all. So somebody's definitely been inside this engine to split it. I don't know why, but anyway, we'll keep going. As long as everything's in there that should be, I'm not bothered if they've been in or not. It's just that I hope they haven't split it, robbed some stuff out of it. Do you know what I mean? And then anyway, right, back soon. Right, I've got the, oh, you can't really see. Let me just move this light a minute because that's a bit bright. Got the oil pump out, and that's all bagged up now. These are all the pipes and stuff that are from in there, so they're going to get put over there. What I've started doing is I've started putting all the seals in a bag. I'm going to put all the bearings in a bag, and then I can get the numbers and I can order them, because they're a fortune off Yamaha, but I'll be able to get them online somewhere else. So I'm going to take the pistons off, and then I'm going to take this crankcase half off. Now, as I say, look at that. These bolts are just hand tight. So normally, what you would do is there's numbers on the crankcase. So as you can see, that's number 10 there. That's number 7. So you would find the highest number, and then you'd start dismantling undoing the bolts a quarter of a turn at a time, starting with the highest number and working backwards. So we shall carry on. But anyway, I'll take the pistons out, and then I'm going to split the crankcases. Right, that's all the bolts out from the top half, and I've started bagging the bolts up here. This is for the top half, so I'm going to turn the engine over, and then I shall do the bottom half. The reason I sound out of breath is because Alice has just phoned up. Can you bring me push bike up? Bloody weighs a ton. Right, anyway, back in 2. Right, that's all the bolts out, bagged up. That's for the bottom of the crankcase, this here. Them long funny ones, I don't know if you can see that, but them long funny ones, they go around the crank, so there, and there, etc. I need to put these pistons somewhere because I keep bloody knocking them over. Pieces of fucking shit. Right, anyway, and then obviously the smaller bag is for the top half. So they'll get put over there, look. In there. but they're nice and safe. Right, so now I'm going to lift off the casings. I was going to try and do it with one hand and hold the camera, but I don't think I'll be able to do it. So, and I think it'll come off quite easy because, like I say, maybe not. I think this engine's been split, so I'll be back in 2 minutes then. Right, we've got the crankcases split now. So as again, I've bagged everything up. So that tiny little brass connector pipe thing there, that's what connects the two halves of the crankcases. And there's a tiny little that's for the oil. There's a tiny O-ring in there, so I'm going to put that in them oil squirty fucking things bag. So let me just get that out. Don't want to lose that. Obviously I'll put a new O-ring on, but I'll just get that O-ring out just there so I don't forget. So that's good. So the gearbox. Everything appears to be okay, although I think there must be a bit of metal somewhere because, oh there, look, right, see that there, there's a bit of shit in the cog, and that's what we're making it bloody that's out now. That's better. So yeah, the gearbox. So the gearbox will get put somewhere safe. Right, quickly. I don't know if that cut out or not, but the battery's gone dead, and my phone just went off. So the crankcases are split. So I'm going to call it a do for tonight.